Bless you.
Excuse me.
Ooh, crikey.
Ooh.
That's nice.
Oh,
What?
I think I just sneezed out world peace.
Now the headlines. In an unexpected turn of events, I can now confirm that world peace has been achieved. We have our international affairs correspondent Tom Finlay on the lines from Brussels.
Cool.